Assalamu alaikum students, I hope you all are well. Dear students, today we are going to revise exercise 2D again. Dear students, we have already discussed the introduction about this exercise. So let's start the exercise now. Exercise 2D. Question number 1 is fill in the blanks. A. 2, 3, 5 are prime factors of dash. Dear students, if you multiply these factors, get the number. 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. So 2, 3, 5 are prime factors of 30. B. The prime factors of 41 are 1 and dash. Dear students, we already know that 41 is a prime number. So prime number have two factors, 1 and the number itself, so 41. There are dash prime factors of 58. Dear students, 58, the factors of 58 are 2 multiplied by 29. Dear students, 2 and 29 both are prime numbers, so yes, there are two prime factors of 58. D. The prime factors of 10 are, dear students, we already know that if we multiply 2 multiplied by 5, 2 5s are 10. So the prime factor of 10 are 2 and 5. Prime factor can never be a composite number. Dear friends, the prime factors of a number are prime numbers. So yes, prime factors can never be a composite number. Question number 2. State whether the following are true or false. A. The prime factor of a number divides the number completely. Yes, this statement is true. B. The prime factors of 100 are 2, 3, 5 and 10. Dear students, if we multiply these factors, we get the number. So 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. 35s are 150 and 150 multiplied by 10 is equal to 1500. So the statement is false. C. A factor tree is used to find prime factors. Yes, the statement is true. D. Prime factors of a numbers are prime numbers. Yes, the statement is true. E. 2 is the only prime factor of the number 6. No. Dear students, if we find the prime factors of 6, 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 2 and 3 both are prime factors. So 2 is the only prime factor of the number 6, that is false. Question number 3. Select the correct answer from the given options. A. 3, 3, 3 and 5 are prime factors of. Dear students, if we multiply these factors, we get the number. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 5s are 135. So the correct option is 135. B. The prime factors of 110 are 5 and 11, 2 5 11, 2 2 5 5, 2 and 55. Dear students, if we multiply these factors, so 2 5s are 10, 10 11s are 110. So the correct option is this. C. The prime factors of 50 are 2 5 and 2 1 5 and 10. 2 5s are 10 and 10 5s are 50. So the correct option is 5. D. The prime factor is always a prime number. So the correct option is this, a prime number. E. Prime factorization means, yes dear students, as we already know that the prime factorization means breaking a number into prime factors. So the correct option is this. Question number 4 is draw factor trees to show the prime factors of the given numbers. A. 15. Now we split or break 15 into two factors. 15. Dear students, we already know that 3 multiplied by 5 is equal to 15. So 3 and 5. 3 multiplied by 5 is equal to 15. Now dear students, look, 3 and 5 both are prime numbers, so circle it. So the prime factors of 15 are 3 into 5. 3 5s are 15. Question number 5 is, draw as many different factor trees as you can to show the prime factors of these numbers. A. 40. Now dear students, we draw the different factor trees of 40. So first we split 40 into two factors. 40. Dear students, if we multiply 2 multiplied by 20 is equal to 40. So 2 multiplied by 20. Look, 2 is a prime number and 20 is a composite number. So split 20 into two factors. 2 multiplied by 10. 2 tens are 20. Here 2 is a prime number, so circle it, and 10 is a composite number. So split again into two factors. 2 into 5. 2 5s are 10. Now 2 and 5 both are prime numbers, so circle it. So the prime factors of 40 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Now we split 40 again in different tree method. So 4 multiplied by 10 is equal to 40. Now dear students, look, 4 and 10 both are composite numbers, so split 4. 2 into 2. Now dear students, look, 2 and 2 both are prime numbers, so circle it. Now split 10 into two factors. 2 multiplied by 5. 2 and 5 both are prime numbers. So the prime factors of 40 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Dear students, look, both have the same prime factors. 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Whatever the method we use, the prime factors will be the same. Question number 6 is, find the prime factors of these numbers using the division method. A. 84. A. 84. Dear friends, we will find the prime factors of this number using the division method. So 84. We will write 84 in this table like this. 84. Now we need to find the smallest prime number that can divide 84 without leaving any remainder. We divide 84 by 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. Now again we find the smallest prime number that can divide 42. Dear students, 42 is an even number, so we will divide by 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. Now we will find the smallest prime number. Now dear students, 3 divides 21 at 7. 3 7s are 21. Now 7 1s are 7. The prime factors of 84 are the prime factors of 84 are 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. Okay students, you have to practice it by heart. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.